Welcome back again, dear students, grade 9. Today, guys, we will finish lesson 4 of chapter 5 by continuing example 2, part B, page 199. As you see, guys, here we have two triangles, NMC and NLH, and they are inside each other's. Yes, NMC, the small one, and NLH. Given the triangle NMC and the triangle NLH, the small one and the big one, write the similarity ratio and show that MC parallel to HL. That means MC and NL, they have to be or to show to him that they are parallel. Actually, we have these two triangles, as you see, NMC and NLH. I took them separately, yes, to make the picture to be more clear. So we have NM equal to 2.5, NC is 3, but unfortunately we don't have NL and NH. But if you go back, it's so easy. We can find the length side NL by saying NM plus ML. That means 2.5 plus 1.5, and on the same time we can find NH by using that NH equal to NC plus CH. So here we will have 4 and here we will have 4.8. The details are here. So NL equal NM plus ML. NL equal 2.5 plus 1.5. So NL equal to 4. So I put here NL 4. Then let me continue. NH equal NC plus CH. NH equal 3 plus 1.8, NH equal to 4.8, and I put here 4.8. Now, guys, let me continue. So, we will take these two triangles, as we call them, NMC and NLH, and I wrote that we will apply side angle side similarity for these two triangles. Why, guys? Why do you think? Yes, because we have angle N with angle N. It's so clear, guys. If you go back to these two triangles, you will see the same angle are in both triangles. N for the small one and N for the bigger one. And so here, guys, yes, so we can say we can apply side angle side. So that means angle N with angle N, and we will take the proportional of the corresponding sides. As you see, guys, here we don't have any problem. We have NM and we have NC and we have NL and we have NH. So what I will say, yeah, the corresponding angles, NM with NL equal NC over NH. So we are applying side angle side, angle with angle, and NM with NL, NC with NH. So guys, we have angle N with angle N and NM over NL equal NC over NH. Let me go to the details. NM over NL, we will have 2.5 over 4. We will multiply by 10, so 2.5 times 10 and 4 times 10, you will have 25 over 40. If you will divide with the common factor 5, you will get 5 over 8. And by the same, yes, so NM over NL is 5 over 8. You will do the same for NC over NH, so 3 over 4.8. So 3 times 10, 4.8 times 10, so you will get 30 divided by 48. And the common factor is 6, and you will get the same similarity ratio, 5 over 8 and 5 over 8. So it means that NC over NH equal 5 over 8. So what do we have? We have side angle side. Yes, side angle side. So we have angle N with angle N, and NM over NL equal NC over NH equal to 5 over 8. So by this, we show to him that these two triangles, NMC and NLH, are similar by using side angle side similarity, and similarity ratio is equal to 5 over 8. Now, he is asking also how we can show that MC is parallel to HL. We will go back, guys. Yes, here. He wants from us to show to him that MC and LH are parallel. Okay, so we will use the same idea. We use it in A on the last video, and you will see that the angle NCM is congruent to NHL. Okay, so now let me continue, guys. Here, let we do the idea. As you have, guys, we have NMC, bravo, and NLM. So if you take this part, NM over NL, so NM, the angle opposite to NM is angle C. And if you go to the second triangle, the big one, yes, you will find that NL and the angle H is opposite to this side. So angle C is opposite. We did that one on the last video. Yes, example 2, part A, we do the same idea. So angle C is corresponding to, is opposite to the side NM, and angle H is opposite to the side NL. And by this we can say that the angle NCM and NHL are what? Are congruent angles. So guys, you will ask me, Mr., how that this will help us to prove that MC and HL are parallel? A good question, yes. Guys, even he doesn't ask to show him that these two angles are congruent, but this will help us to show that these two lines are what? Are parallel. So it was so important for us to show to him that, yes, by the proportional of the corresponding sides, that the angle NCM and NHL are congruent angles, and you will see why. So guys, this will help us. The case you took it in grade 8, if you remember it, it's called a Converse of Apostolate. But which one? Yes, if you focused, you took this one when you were in grade 8, yes, in chapter 5, and we call it a Converse of Apostolate. And which one? It was a converse of corresponding angles to prove any two coplanar lines are parallel. Guys, what I did, yes, I took these two triangles, I wrote, yes, I put them here. As you see, guys, I didn't do anything again. NCH, here we have NCH, yes, and this we call it, if you remember, a transversal. Excellent. A transversal cuts these two lines, CM and HL, yes, here it is, CM and HL. So I just take this part and copy it here, yes. So what we did before, we proved that this angle NCM and NHL, where are they? Yes, bravo guys. NCM, here it is, NCM, and NHL, it is here, yes. We proved that these two angles are congruent, yes, excellent. So that means this angle and this angle. And if you focus, what? Yes, these two angles are, yes, they are corresponding angles, yes. So he wants from us to show that these two lines are parallel. So the postulate says, I will remind you about this postulate. It says that if we have two corresponding angles, this one and this one, and they are congruent, then the lines MC and HL are parallel. So that we call it a converse of corresponding angles. So that means if we can prove that this angle and this angle are congruent, so that these two lines MC and LH are what? Are, yes, are parallel. Excellent. So because of this, this helped me, yes, that these two angles are congruent, to take it here and to prove that these two lines MC and LH are what? Are parallel. So as I told you guys, that when we prove that these two angles NCM and NHL, NCM and NHL, they are congruent. So by using the converse of apostolate and which one of corresponding angles, we prove that MC and HL, MC and HL, or here MC and HL, yes, they are what? They are parallel lines. Now guys, we will go to exercises on your book on pages 200 and 201. I will do, guys, for you 1, 2, 3, and 4, and you will do for me 5, 6, 7, and 8 to improve yourself on this lesson 4, chapter 5. Number 1, as we see here, we have two triangles, ABC, and if you want to call this one FGH or FG, as you want. So he's asking, explain why these two triangles are similar and write similarity ratio. Guys, here it is so obvious, yes. So we will use angle because here we don't have any size. What we have angles. So obviously we will use angle. But before we start to apply angle similarity, we have to find measure of angle A. And before we say the fact that the sum of the angles of any triangle equal to 180. So if I want to find the measure of A, this one, yes, so I will say 180 minus measure of angle C plus measure of angle B, this one and this one. Then 180 minus 52 plus 81, so 180 minus 133. So you will find that measure of angle A equal to 47. So here we can write 47. Yes. So now I think the idea is so obvious and so easy. So measure of angle A is congruent to measure of angle F, as you see, 47 and 47, and also angle C with angle H. Yes, measure of angle C with measure of angle H. So angle, so that means these two triangles are similar, and ratio of similarity is AB over FG. Here it is, AB over FG equal to AC over FH, AC over FH, and the last one, BC over GH. That means BC over GH. Now, by this, we can go to number 2. Number 2, again, guys, we have two triangles as you saw them. We have PSR and QTS or QST. So again, explain why these two triangles are similar and write a similarity statement. So guys, we were in exercise 2, explain why these two triangles are similar and write the similarity statement. So guys, again, we will use angle. As we see, guys, we have angle from here, angle from here, angle from here, and angle from here. So we will use angle similarity. Number 1, SPR with STQ, STQ, and obviously this is given, so we write in front of them is given. And also obviously we have PSR, which is right angle with QST, again. So these are two right angles, so angle, so we can, yes, we show that these two triangles PSR and QST are similar. So we will go to the proportionality. We have PR with the QT equal to PS with the QS and RS with TS. So we finish from exercise 2. Now let me go to exercise 3. As you see, guys, here we have two triangles DFE and KJL, and verify the two triangles DEF and JKL are similar, and write the similarity ratio. And then he's asking two things. First of all, you have to show that these two triangles are similar, and the second part is show that angle K and angle E, angle K, yes, and angle E, yes, K and E, you want from us to show that these are these two congruent angles. For the first part, we will use side similarity. Guys, it's obvious because we have sides 6, 8, 10, and we have 16 and 20 and 12. So obviously we will use side similarity. So we will have the proportionality for the corresponding sides. So we have DE with KJ, EF to KL, and DF over LJ. So again, DE, yes, again, DE over KJ, okay, and EF over KL, yes, guys. And the last one, we have DF with LG, DF with LG, and we will have this thing 8 over 16 equal 10 over 20 equal to 6 over 12. So guys, we have DE over KJ equal EF over KL equal DF over j. So we have 8 over 16 equal 10 over 20 equal to 6 over 12. Let me continue. So 8 over 16 we can divide by the common factor 8. 10 over 20 divide by 10, both of them, and 6 and 12 divide by 6. So what we will have, 8 divided by 8 equal to 1 over 16 divided by 8, 2. 10 divided by 10, 1. 20 divided by 10, 2. 6 divided by 6, 1. And 12 divided by 6, 2. So as you see, the similarity ratio is 1 over 2 because all of them are equal 1 over 2, 1 over 2, and 1 over 2. Now let me go to the second part, how we can show that these two angles are congruent. As we did before, something is so easy. Yes, bravo, guys, yes. So you will have DFE with what? With KJL, and angle K is opposite to LJ, as we see here. Angle K is opposite to the side LJ, and angle E is opposite to the DF, and angle E is opposite to DF, guys. So from proportionality of the sides, we will write this one again, but I will repeat this one, guys. I will take these two triangles again. Yes, DFE and KJL. Yes, excellent, because he wants what? He wants angle K with angle E. So angle E and angle K. Angle E is opposite to the sides DF, and angle K is opposite to the side, if you want, LJ or JL, as you wish. So again, I will write the proportionality of the corresponding sides. DF over LG, EF over KL equal DE over KJ equal to 1 over 2. So now look what I have. Just, I will not prove to him what he wants. I will prove all the angles. So he wants this, but I will give him all the angles. So it's so beautiful, guys. You know this way we use it in the last video. So DF over LG, DF over LG gives that K is congruent to E. Yes, and we show it here because angle E is opposite to DF, and angle K is opposite to LJ, and DF and LJ, they are here, DF and LJ. And now we will continue. EF over KL gives that angle D is congruent to angle J, and the last one will give us that angle F and angle L are congruent. So guys, you can repeat this way for the other two. You can use it for EF over KL and DE over KJ, but the first one I give it in more details. So you will draw the two triangles DFE and KJL, and as I told you last time, that you will say which side is opposite to angle E, it is DF, and which side is opposite to K is GL or LJ. So they are here. So DF over LG, DF over LJ, yes, it gives that these two angles. Which angles? Angle E and angle K are what? Are congruent. You will do the same. So EF over KL will give you that angle D and angle J are congruent, and the last one, DE over KJ, will give you that these two angles F and L are what? Are congruent. And this way we give him everything, not only the one that he wants, that to show him that K and E are congruent. No, we show him everything. K with E, this is it. K with E, and also D with J, bravo, D with J, and the last one, angle F is congruent to angle L, angle F, yes, is congruent to angle L, and this happened, all these angles are congruent. This happened because of what? Because of the proportionality of the corresponding sides. DF over LG equal to EF over KL equal to DE over KJ equal to 1 over 2, the similarity ratio. And according to this, we have all these angles are what? Are congruent. Now, let me go to exercise 4. As you see, guys, again, we have a small triangle and a big triangle. The small one is M and P, and the big one is MQR. So here, guys, he said, verify that triangles M and P and MRQ are similar. Yes, as we say here, we will write here Q. Yes. Yes, excellent, guys. So we have these two triangles, yes, M and P, and we have MRQ, and as you see, we have some length sides. As you see here, we have MN is 4, MP is 8, MR is 6, and of course, if you want to find the side length MQ, you will say it is equal to MP plus PQ, so 8 plus 4, it will be 12. What he wants in exercise 4, let me read. Verify these two triangles M and P and MRQ are similar, and write the similarity ratio. And as usual, he wants from us to show that angle N and angle R, angle N, this one, angle N and angle R are what? Are congruent. So what do we have, guys? Which one we will use again? Do we have to use angle or side or side angle side to, yes, to verify that these two triangles are what? Are similar. So now I say it's obvious, guys, that we will use side angle side. Why do you think I didn't take side and think angle? Yes, the answer is because we have two sides and one angle from the first one, the first triangle MNP, and again we have two sides and one angle from the other triangle MRQ. But Mr., can you show it for us? Yes, why not? Guys, it is given that this angle, yes, if you can read it, you will say this angle NMP and yes, and QMR, it's given they are congruent. So, okay, what we said, we have two sides and one angle. So we found one angle from here and one angle from here. So, Mr., where are the other two sides? Yes, why not? I will answer you. Guys, the first side is MN, is 4 from the triangle MNP. And the other one is MR. We know it is 6 from the triangle MQR. But Mr., where is the other one? Okay, the other one is 8. It is MP from this triangle, but we have to find MQ, as I said before. So we will add 8 and 4, so you will find 8 plus 4, 12 is the side length of what? Of MQ. So guys, we have one angle from here and one angle from here, one side from here and one side from here, and this side and this side from this triangle to the other triangle. So guys, this is obvious. Now we will use side angle side because we have two sides, this side and this side, these two sides from NMP, and we have the side MQ and MR from the triangle MQR, and we have this angle and this angle. So this will give us a permission to use what? Side angle side, yes, to show that these two triangles are what? Are similar. So let me start, guys. Number one, we have NMP, NMP, that means this one, yes, NMP, and yes, where we are, and RMQ, where we are, RMQ, this one. They are congruent, it is given. Now we will write the proportionality of the corresponding sides. To write this, we have to find, as I told you, we have to find this one, the side length MQ of the triangle MQR. So you will say it is equal to MP plus PQ. Here are the details. MQ equal to MP plus PQ. So MQ equal to 8 plus 4 equal to 12. So now we can write the proportionality of the corresponding sides. Actually, we have, guys, MP over MQ, MP of this triangle over MQ of this triangle. So MP over MQ equal to MN over MR. MN from this triangle over MR from this triangle. So again, we have MP over MQ equal MN over MR. So Khalid, you will what? You will copy these these side lengths here, and you will have 8 over 12 equal 4 over 6. 8 over 12 divided by 4 divided by 4, so you will get, yes, 2 over 3. 8 divided by 4, 2. 12 divided by 4, 3. Equal 4 divided by 2, 2, and 6 divided by 2, 3. So this is the similarity ratio. So by this, what we have, again, we will repeat. It is given that this angle NMP congruent to RMQ, and now before a second we show to you that MP over MQ and MN over MR, they are equal, and they are equal to 2 over 3. And by this we show that these two triangles MNP and MRQ are similar, and similarity ratio equal to 2 over 3. So by this we show everything about this. But now we have to go, as we said, he's asking of something else. He said to us what? To show that, yes, yeah. He said that by the same way we can show that the other two angles of triangle MMP are congruent to the two angles of triangle MRQ, as it is given that these two angles, yes, which angles? We say them at the beginning. We said that this angle and this angle. So we will do more what he wants. We will not show only N with R, they are congruent. We will show the others they are congruent. So guys, after we show to him that these two, or verify to him that these two triangles are similar, now we will show to him that N and R are what? Are congruent angles. But we do the same as we did before. We will show to him everything. Yes, here it is written that by the same way we can show that the other two angles of this triangle MMP are congruent to the other two angles of the other triangle MRQ, as it is given that this angle NMP and RMQ, this is given, we know that N, yes, NMP, and yes, QM are this angle and this angle are what? Are congruent. So here, guys, let me start. So as you see, guys, I took the two triangles again, MMP and MQR. So the first one, we took these things from where? From here, guys. Yes, MP over MQ, MP over MQ. This is MP and this is MQ. So you will find, yes, so this side is opposite to this angle and this side is opposite to this angle. So obvious, this means that Mr. Angle N is congruent to angle R, or these two angles are congruent. Again, I will repeat the same idea. Yes, guys, here we have again MMP and MQR. So I will take the other part, MN over MR, MN over MR. So again, guys, here what I have side MN is opposite to the angle P, and the side MR is opposite to the angle Q. So this will give us directly that MN over MR gives that angle P and angle Q are congruent. So I didn't just only verify to him that this angle and this angle are congruent. No, I show also to him N and R are congruent in this way. Yes, and I give him the other thing that again this and this, yes, this angle P and angle Q are what? Are congruent by using the, yes, the proportionality of the corresponding sides. Where is it? This one, yes, MP over MQ equal to MN over MR equal to 2 over 3. So we finish by this, guys, everything about lesson 4 in chapter 5. Don't forget, guys, to do for me. Yes, I did, as you see, I did for you number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4 on page 200. I want from you guys to improve yourself to do 5, 6, 7, 8. And as I told you, we finish everything on lesson 4, chapter 5. I love you so much. Again, I will say to you, welcome back again, dear students, grade 9. We finish, and inshallah, wait me for next videos. I love you and I missed you. Bye, guys. Bye.